Hey bakers, today I'm showing you how I make edible glue. It's quick, it's easy, just 2 ingredients, and it's something I always use when I'm decorating cookies. It's perfect for sticking down sprinkles, bows, molded fondant, flowers, pretty much anything that needs to stay put on a cookie. This is CMC powder, also known as Tylose powder. They're the same thing, just different names, and you'll find this in most cake decorating stores or online. Here's what I'm using today. You can use whatever you've got at home. The only thing I really recommend is a little container with a lid. It just keeps your glue fresh. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of powder. The usual mix is 1 part CMC to 3 parts water, but I like mine a bit thicker. So I just eyeball it and add more water if I need to. Then giving it a gentle stir. It might look cloudy or lumpy. That's totally normal. And it will stay cloudy and lumpy for several hours. Let it sit overnight, and by morning it'll be thick and sticky, ready to use. I pre-made a batch, and once it's ready, it should feel like syrup. Nice and thick. Grab a small jar with a lid, pour your edible glue into it to keep it fresh. If it's too thick, like mine is here, add a drop of water at a time. And then if it's too runny, just add a little more powder and let it rest again. As I like my consistency to be nice and thick, I add a little bit of water each time until I'm happy with my consistency. Now my glue is ready to be used. Grab a brush, dip it into your edible glue, and you can apply it to any edible creations that you want to create. I'm brushing it onto the base of my sugar cookie. Though I did oversaturate my brush, you don't need a lot. Only a little bit takes you a long way. The good thing about edible glue is it dries clear, doesn't leave any marks or any residue, especially when you're using colored sprinkles. And there's no taste at all, so it won't change the flavor of your cookies or any of your creations. And that's it. Easy edible glue using just Tylose powder and water. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys. Bye.